Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope all of you are doing very well. So in today's video we are going to talk about the joining updates and the queries that most of the candidates have. So in this video we are going to cover some of the main important points and the mostly asked queries of the candidates. So the queries like: status is still showing badged on my next step portal. Should I consider myself as rejected or not? Or should I even wait for a longer period of time? Next query is: will TCS revoke the offer letter for 2022 batch, as the offer letter for many candidates was revoked previously? So will the offer letters will still be revoked for 2022 batch or not? And the next query that we are going to talk about is: when will TCS onboard the 2022 batch candidates, which is the specific month or the accurate date around which we are going to get the joining of TCS 2022 batch candidates. So for all these queries, make sure that you watch the video till end, because we are going to talk some of the important points that what you should do in order to get your joining early and what you should be doing in order to be prepared for your joining. So before starting the video, if you are new to the channel, make sure that you subscribe to the channel, as we regularly upload on off-campus drives as well as onboarding updates on our channel. You can see that we regularly upload videos every day. So make sure that you subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss any updates from our channel. Let's start with our today's discussion. So first of all, let us talk about why TCS is taking so long to give the offer letters and the joining letters. Okay, so basically it is based on the locations that you have selected. First of all, for the joining, I am talking about the joining candidates. So those candidates who are waiting for their joinings, why they are thinking that why some of the candidates are getting an early joining but some of them are not getting the joining from a long time. So guys, it is totally based on the locations that you have filled in your survey. That is the first 3 locations that you select for your joining. So it is based on that, because there are many locations like as of now Hyderabad location does not has many projects. So even the candidates who has joined like 3 to 4 months back, they are still on bench and they are waiting for the projects. So this is the situation for many locations. So the location like Mumbai has many projects as of now. So anyone who has selected Mumbai as the location preference will get an early joining in comparison to the one who has selected Hyderabad. Now this is not a specific case. These cases can change from month to month. There can be chances that if you select your location as Mumbai, then at that point of time Mumbai does not have sufficient number of projects and you might get an delay joining. So there is nothing that you can do in this case. So it is just because of this thing that the joining is getting delayed. It is because of lack of projects at a particular location. Now the next thing is about status is still showing badged. What should we do in this case? Should we consider ourselves rejected or not? So I would only say that as of next step portal, everything is getting updated by the company officially on your next step portals. So don't consider anything by yourself. Like if it is badged from a long time, like from last 8 to 10 months, then I should consider myself as rejected, since it is not updating only. So don't consider it in this way, because I have seen candidates whose status was badged for even more than 1 year and after that they got their joinings and offer letters. Okay, so don't consider yourself rejected. If it is showing badge, just consider that your result is still pending and you have not got your results yet. So you have to wait for your result. But one of my suggestions is, don't be totally dependent on the company that you will get your joining only from this company. Instead, what you can do is you can regularly apply for the multiple drives that are currently going on, because there are very high chances that you will get the joining earlier in some other company than waiting for a single company, right? So keep on applying. Don't consider that if you have got the offer letter then you might not get any other offer and you don't have to apply. Just keep on applying until you didn't get the joining in one of the companies. Okay, so this query is now answered, that status is still showing badged. What should we do? So you should wait and you should not consider yourself rejected. You should only consider yourself rejected if it is showing a rejection message. So if you would have known someone who is rejected by the company, then in their next step portal you can check there is a rejection message that is clearly stated that we cannot take your candidature forward and you are rejected. So such kind of message, if it is showing, then only consider yourself as rejected, otherwise not. Moving on to our next query, which is: will TCS revoke the offer for 2022 batch or not? So basically the answer is yes and no also. In what case it is yes, I am going to explain that now. So some of the candidates who has postponed or who have basically not joined on their given joining date. Okay, so in the survey they had filled that I cannot join the company due to the following reasons, and they have basically postpone their joinings, right? So in that case TCS is revoking the offer letters, but TCS is never going to revoke the offer letters for those candidates who has not filled any kind of this kinds of survey and who has not postponed their joinings by themselves. And even in the postponing the joining, there are different specific reasons mentioned. If you have selected a valid reason that you are postponing for this reason, that your college is not yet like completed, or some valid reason, then your TCS offer letter will never be revoked. Okay, so don't consider that TCS offer letter will be revoked. So it was only revoked for those candidates who have given such kinds of reasons that they cannot join because due to these reasons, and TCS has no other options that since the candidate cannot join, they have revoked their offer letters. So the offer letters for the candidates whose it was revoked, so those candidates were not going to join only in any case. So that is why TCS has revoked the offer letters. Okay, moving on, when will TCS onboard for 2022 batch candidates? So recently, so whenever if you would have also sent a follow-up mail to TCS, you would have got this kind of reply from TCS, which is an automatic kind of reply. So in this mail it is mentioned that, dear candidate, the joining letter will be issued based on TCS business requirements. We request you to be patient and urge you not to worry about it. Since we are in the process of planning the onboarding based on business requirements, rest assured that your TCS offer letter will be honored and you will start working with us soon. So basically, whenever a candidate is asking for an update on joining from the TCS, the company is mentioning that joining will be issued based on the business requirements. Okay, now business requirements is again what I have explained you in the first point, that is some locations has many projects well as the other does not. So the location which has many projects, the people of that location will get an earlier joining, whereas the other ones have to wait for a little bit of time. Okay, so this is the update that the company is giving. So I would again say that no need to wait just blindly for one company. Just keep on applying. If you get a joining, it is good. If otherwise, you will get joining in some other company also. So the next thing is again, so who will get the joining earlier? Right now, again, when the joining will start, it is not like all the 1 lakh or 90,000 80,000 candidates will be onboarding in a single day or in the single month, right? There will be batches in which the candidates will be hired. So who will be given the first priority when the joining will start? So if you might have already got the offers for TCS, you might know that the TCS has something called as CPA. So in the CPA exam there is a score range. So score range, there is some score range wherein if you score between 80 to 100 or 80 plus, then there is a high priority that you will be given the joining earlier, right? So first priority will be given to the candidates who has secured 80 plus in the CPA exam. Why I am saying this? Because some of the candidates who has called on the helpline numbers or who have asked for the follow-ups from the company, they have got this message from the company that first priority will be given to these candidates. Now our last point and the very main important point is, when will TCS onboard the 2022 batch candidates? As there is a long time for which the company has for which the candidates have waited from the company to get a response. So recently, when candidates have asked on the helpline number of the TCS, so they have started replying that the joining will start from the month of January. So if you are also waiting for your joinings, you can expect your joining in the month of January only. So it is a good news for everyone. But again, if you are in the process of your CPA and your CPAs are happening, make sure that you prepare your best and try your best to clear it. Okay, it is not in your hand, I can understand, but you can try your best. You can give it as many attempts as possible and try to clear it with 80 plus. If you get two benefits. First is you get a 60,000 bonus amount from the TCS, and the other is you get an early joining, which is very much important for you at this point of time. So with this, we have covered most of the queries and the onboarding updates for TCS. If you have more such queries, let me know in the comment section and I will bring another video answering your query. So that's all for this video. If you like this video, make sure that you share it amongst your friends who are waiting for their offer letters of TCS. And if you have any doubts regarding anything, please ask in the comment section. Even if it is related to any other company also, you can ask in the comment section. Make sure that you join us on different social media platforms like Telegram and Instagram, so that you can ask your queries over there also. And make sure to subscribe to the channel to receive all such regular updates. Thank you and all the best for watching the video.